We will now make the next assignment. This is to create a quiz application using an input file called generalknowledge.txt, gk1.txt. This has 10 lines. Each line is having two words. The first word is the name of a country. The second word is the name of the capital of the country. For example, India's capital is New Delhi. USA's capital is Washington DC. UK's capital is London. France's capital is Paris. Italy's capital is Rome. Moscow's capital is Russia's capital is Moscow. Japan's capital is Tokyo. China's capital is Beijing. Sri Lanka's capital is Colombo. Philippines' capital is Manila. Let's try to avoid any spaces in this for convenience. Okay, we'll use this as the input file. Let's write a program now. So we can start with reading the file. F1 is equal to open gk1.txt, gk1.txt in read mode. Now let's read f1.read line to read the first line. Read line left bracket right bracket. Now since this is a string, we'll assign it to variable s1. Now it has a comma in between, so let's split s1 dot split, and wherever there's a comma, and the split item will become a list, so we'll call it as a list one. And let's print list one and see. Let's run the program. Okay, there is a next new line character. Can we strip it off in line 2 by adding a dot strip function? Dot strip. No, on the same line, dot strip. strip left bracket right bracket. Yeah, this is good. Now let's create two lists. One is called countries list, and another is called capitals list. Right in the first line, before the first line, we'll create two lists. Countries is equal to empty list, and capitals is equal to empty list. And now what we'll do is we will, instead of printing list one, we'll remove the print. We'll write countries dot append list one of 0, because that is the first item in the list. Then capitals dot append list one of 1. Okay, now let's print after an empty line, print capital countries and print capitals. And print capitals. So we'll get one item in countries and one item in capitals. Just for better readability, I think we'll put an enter here and enter here. So this 4 lines of code will help you to read the first
line.
line. Yeah, now let's enter. Very good. Okay. Can you copy paste line 5, 6, 7, 8 into one more block of code? So now we should, if you run this, you should get two countries and two capitals. Okay, one more block can you copy? Yeah, now you should get three countries and three capitals. Yeah. Now can we make a for loop for 10 times? Yeah, for I in range 0, comma 10, comma 1. So we should be getting 10 countries and 10 capitals. Very nice. Now let's start the quiz. In line number 11, we can say input left bracket what is the capital of what is the capital of let's close the inverted comma plus the first item is called countries of 0. Yeah, countries square bracket 0. Okay, let's close the bracket. Now whatever entered by the user, let us call it as a response. So let us call it R1. R1 is equal to. Okay.
Yes.
So let's run this and see what is the capital of India. Type something. New Delhi. We don't expect any action. New Delhi. Okay. Yeah, fine. Okay. Now let's compare this. If R1 equals capitals square bracket O, sorry, not O, 0, colon, print, answer is correct. Answer is correct. Yeah, let's run this. Now write New Delhi without a space. No, no, DLHI. Yes. Okay. Now let's do one thing. Let's give 10 marks to every correct answer and 0 marks to every wrong answer. So let's create one list called marks. And for every correct answer, it will be 10 and every wrong answer. So let's not make a print statement. Remove the print statement totally. I think we can remove the print statement totally and say marks.append bracket 10. Else marks.append 0. Okay, and then we'll print the list called marks. Okay, let's run this. So if you do correctly, you should get 10 marks. Very good. Okay, now let's put a for loop and put 10 of these items where after 11, yeah, you can put a for loop for I in range 0 comma 10 comma 1, shift up to 18 to the right, and carefully change in line 14 and line 15 and remove line 13. Yes. Okay. New Delhi. DLHI. Yeah. Washington DC. GTON DC in capitals. Yes. London. LONDON. What's the capital of France? Paris. PARIS. What's the capital of Italy? Rome. Yes. What is the capital of Russia? Moscow. MOS. MO should be lowercase. COW. What is the capital of Japan? Tokyo. Tokyo. What is the capital of China? Beijing. Beijing. What is the capital of Sri Lanka? Colombo. Colombo. Capital of Philippines is Manila. Manila. A single L. Yeah. Wow. You got all correct answers. Let's find the total marks. Can you print sum of marks? Next. So can you mention you have scored within inverted commas? You have scored. You have scored. Mm, here we can say marks in English after this. Marks. Marks. Enough. Yeah. Okay. To just to try the logic, can we reduce this to three? We'll only do three and test it out. Yeah. So New Delhi, Washington, London, 20 marks. So we made a mistake somewhere.
Washington DC.
Washington DC. Yes. Okay. So now, whenever you make a mistake, we need to identify and give the correct answer.
Yes.
So how can we do that? So whichever marks is zero, that answer is wrongly done, right?
Yes.
So can we run a for loop to check for marks is equal to zero
Yeah.
and retype the answers?
Mm.
So for I in range, 0 comma 3 comma 1, if marks square bracket I equals 0, what we can do is we can print uh, colon the correct marks, the correct answer is capitals square bracket I. Okay. So again, you make Washington mistake. You do. Yeah, Washington. Don't write DC. Yeah, London. The correct answer. But correct answer for which question? I want correct answer for question 2.
Yeah.
So can you write correct answer for for question 2? 2 should not be hard coded. It will be value of I or I plus 1.
I+1.
Yeah, I plus 1. Yeah. Now try this.
Can I
Think we can remove the print in line 10 and 11.
remove?
Yeah, remove the print in line 10 and 11. New Delhi, Washington, London. Correct answer for question 2 is correct. Okay.
Yes.
So, can you make
Function.
a function of this? Can you next? So go to the beginning and we'll take mm, define quiz one bracket f name f name or f1. Just write f1. I think. Yeah. So now you can copy all of this to the right and in sorry, it's not f name. I think make it f name, file name f name, and wherever gk.txt is there, you can replace it with f name. Replace it with the variable f name, and here we can call. Let's remove the empty line in line 2 and call the function line 22 gk1.txt. Right. New Delhi, Washington, London. Okay, let's go back to the program. I think we have hard coded 3 and 3.
Yes.
Can we create one count is equal to 10? And okay, let's do one thing. Let's put the count in. Okay, let's where I replace 10 with count in line 7 and in line 12 and in line 20. Okay, so let's just test the program before we close. New Delhi. Okay, Washington. Yeah. For all of the rest, type some wrong answers. Enough wrong answers. Correct answer for question 3 is it right?
Yeah.
Very good. Looks very pretty.
Yes.
Okay, I think we have finished the quiz program successfully. I think we can stop the video now.